Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed one of your custom input forms onto your web page. So when sellers can fill out your input forms, that information will go directly into your REIFLOW Podio setup. So first we need to select which form. So we want to do the new input form. Now you can't get the embed code from REIFLOW dashboard here. What we do is go into Podio and get that, because each input form actually creates an app in your REIFLOW workspace. And I'll show you that now. So let's go to REIFLOW workspace. And now we can go all the way to the right on your apps list and see that we have input form and new input form. Those match up with these. There's input form, new input form. We'll want to say we use the new input form, click into it, and we want to get the embed code for the web form. We'll come over to the wrench, click on it, find web form, and now this is the web form that was created by REIFLOW, the form tools. Now there's two parts to this, both are very easy. First part is we have to make sure the domain of your web page is listed here. If it's not, we have to edit. Additionally, we have to do the www part of this. Since I'm going to be putting, for this test, embed the form on my reiflow.com website, that's why I have this here. You also have this here, but if your website was WeBuyHouses.com, you would have to put WeBuyHouses.com and also www.WeBuyHouses.com. So now that I have www.reiflow.com, we'll add that to the list. And now here is the embed code. What we need to do is highlight this, copy it. Now we go to our web page. Now I use Wordpress. You may use something else, but most people do use Wordpress. So now on my REIFLOW WordPress dashboard, we'll go to, you can create a post or a page, it doesn't matter. In this case, we'll create a post. So add new post, give it a name, input form. Now, if you were doing an existing post, you just have to go and edit the existing post. Now, where we have to paste the embed code is not in this area right here, because this is the visual interface. If we paste the embed code, it shouldn't work. Let's see what happens if we do. So now we're pasting the code, and if we preview this, we're probably going to see the pasted code right here. So this is HTML, and the visual is what you actually see. So let's close that out, remove this code. And now where we have to go is the text representation of the post. And we can paste that here. Now if we go back to the visual, you'll see these two items, and this means it's working. You're not going to see the form here. You will see the form if we preview this now. So here's the preview. Now if we add this, so we've added the information. Click Add Lead. Lead has been added. Let's look back at REIFLOW and see what happens. You can see that a lead has been added. So first we'll look at the input. We'll leave this. So the lead first comes here, which is the input form. And then the adding of this lead here notifies REIFLOW that a new lead has been put here. And then it creates the actual leads in the REIFLOW system. So we have, this is the one we just added. And here we go. So we have the detail record, or the property record here. And we also have the contacts. So that's how this works. If you have any questions, have any problems, let me know. Leave a question or comment below. Thank you.